All right, mother buckers, we are back again with another video, man. Today we're at the farm. We're under the farm, under the hay barn.
We're under the farm, and we're absolutely gonna take the bed off.
Guys, today is the day we're taking this bad boy off and putting a flatbed right there. We got Jess helping, we got Carpet, we got myself, and even Armando's gonna help us. So shout out to Armando for helping us.
It's literally the one that's
So
missing.
we're gonna get it done, guys. We already started taking some stuff off here. We got the side markers off. Right now Carpet's taking the bumper off and Jess is taking the tail lights out.
So we're missing the one Allen wrench that we need for the taillights.
We'll get it off with something. So stay tuned for more, guys. We'll keep you in the loop as we do this process, and you guys could learn too how to install a flatbed. Hopefully. But we might not give away all the tips and tricks. We might just do it giblet. Who knows? Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, you.
Sick sounds mean.
That sounds sick. Yeah, you. Flatbed day. Casey's here with the razor. It's a good day.
Oh yeah.
We're getting deeper into the process, guys. Carpet's down here really sweating up a storm.
Oh, it's hard, bud. Dude, they're like 150 foot-pounds.
I believe you. Where's your impact?
It doesn't fit in this spot.
I didn't think it would. Oh man. The people on YouTube are gonna love this.
I hope so.
Sure hope so. Alright guys, we're hauling the flatbed over to the workstation with the squeeze. Working out very good. So what's the state of it, bud?
We're making some decent progress.
Been at it for a little while. I rode with Casey in the squeeze and unloaded an entire semi. He spilled 2 stacks on accident. It's kind of the guy's fault, the trucker's fault.
There's 2 more hidden bolts down them.
Been a lot of hidden bolts, guys, but at the end of the day, we're nearing removal of the old bed. Then it'll be time for this one, guys. Me and Casey brought it over on the squeeze, and we got our welder Devin waiting for us.
Gotta weld this shit up.
He's got to weld it up big time. Premium, probably the most premium aspect of this entire operation is weld.
The easiest.
I think it's the most premium part though. Very important, because if these welds fail, you're gonna hurt us big time.
I hope not.
I hope not too.
All right, mother buckers, we're back again. I think we have everything disconnected from the bed.
You're looking very dirty, bud.
Yeah, we got.
Turn around, let's get a close up of the back of your head. You're looking like you're doing the work, bud, and we're mostly observing you doing the work. But this is your dream, bud.
It's gonna
This is
happen.
Carpetual's dream of the flatbed coming into fruition right here.
Oh, guys.
It's about to come off big time. I'm gonna keep the camera recording because I think we're gonna lift it off right now. All right, let's do it. You think it's about
You
ready?
think it's going over the ball?
Oh, let's see.
Is it going over?
Holy fuck.
Well, it's over the ball.
Okay, stop.
I'm tired. Oh shit.
Y'all just started lifting it.
Hell yeah.
Tower had like nothing.
I had nothing to grab onto. Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
Nice.
Yeah. I'd roll this bitch just like this for a couple weeks.
We drove to the Honda, took it to the feedlot, spun that bitch.
Next step, guys. Juice chooching it. Oh, smoking cigarettes, bud.
Oh, we're almost there. I see through.
Oh, you're chooching it. Oh, smoke cigarettes, bud. Oh, big time. Big time. Oh, yeah. Chooch it a little bit. Oh, yeah.
We're sliding off.
Hey, you'll get through it one day.
Now you're chooching, bud. Now you're really chooching. Hopefully you have enough battery life for all this, bud. Oh, man.
You gotta torture down.
Guys, we've been at it for a very long time. It's been probably four hours, maybe 5. We're still grinding away at some metal. I'm sitting up in the bales. In operation. Got the safety slides on. He's got his safety slides on, guys. We're good. Oh, the angle away right on top of the tire. Oh, cigarette. Oh my God. Yep, we're gonna get her done. Almost there. Almost there. Guys, operated the skis.
Alright, mother buckers, we're back again. We just got it on the bed, aligned as you saw. He's gonna go ahead and throw some packs on with the 110 while we wait for the 220 adapter. Because if that's the case, we could just go ahead and weld it all up in the air on the squeeze. We got quite the mess here now. Oh, the tank's dangling. Alright, he's gonna get geared up. And then we're gonna get this show on the road.
Bud, we're in the dark, absolutely operating. We got the headlights. We're still at the farm, guys. It's about 7 o'clock. We're still going after it. We got Devin welding everything up for us very nicely. We're nearing the end of the operation, guys. It's going to be absolutely insane. So. All right, what's up, mother buckers, and welcome to the end of the video. If you made it through the entire video, we really appreciate you guys watching, and one of you guys is going to be the lucky winner of today's t-shirt giveaway. So if this is you, be sure to send us an email to info@motherbuckers47.com.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. That was a long video. It was a lot of work. We got really tired, so we didn't really film everything that we wanted to, but we ended up getting the flatbed on. You saw some clips of Devin welding it up. Shout out to Devin for helping us out with this.
Shout out to Devin.
We've used the flatbed for a while now. We're making this outro a little ways away,
Yep,
but
a little bit after we've had it on.
I mean, I think we've put 50 bales on it at once so far. That's the maximum capacity that we've determined pretty much,
and it's held up great. So let's show you guys the welds, and then we'll get out of here, out of your hair. Look at that, guys, all cleaned up in there. Nothing's cracking or moving or anything. It's absolutely working great, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, guys.
All right. Bye bye.